Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, currently ranked 141 with a market cap of $227 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $17.55 million. We are seeing some very interesting price action on the chart, so sit back, relax as we would be exploring and analyzing that together. For the month, we are up 20.4% right here for YEARN.finance, and for the week we are down just 0.6%. And without further ado, let us move to the chart. So first we want to start with the whale data, right? So the whale data shows us what big money and small money is doing in crypto, right? So this blue stands for the whale, so this is basically big money, right? And this red stands for retail. This basically means small money, right? And what we could see right here is that every time the retail are selling, the whales have been buying. And we said this on the channel that the whales have been accumulating since around 5,000, 4,000 for YFI, and we said we were bullish, and as you can see, prices currently at about 7,000. So the whales are continue to accumulate more YFI while retail are selling out of their positions, right? And if we just basically see this with the chart, as you can see, retail, just when prices are going up, as you can see, right, retail buys, prices begin to range. As you can see, currently the retail are selling while the whales are buying. If we are looking at price action, basically we said we're expecting price to come right down to the $6,600 and $6,707 level, as we are still seeing that range continues, and we could still see price push right down to the $6,707 level before we see that push to the upside of $8,175 level. So let me know in the comment section, are you like the whales? Are you still accumulating more YFI, or you're probably like the retail who are still selling out of their YFI at the moment? So basically that's the analysis for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click, subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.